Hello and welcome back to my channel once again. This is my Fusion 5 tablet PC and the model number is T60, as you can see it here, T60. So if we power it on, anytime that we power it on, there's a pop-up message which it says that let's power it on to see. So press the power button to power it on. Right, so this is the PC which is popped up and is powered on, and anytime that we power it on, you have this message: invalid signature detected, check secure boot policy and setup. Now in order to solve this issue, it's very easy and simple. You need to go into the BIOS settings to configure the settings in order for the PC to boot normal. So like with this, if you click on OK, the PC will not boot. It will just be on a dark screen and nothing will display. So with this, let's power off the PC and get into the BIOS settings. So you have to force shut down the PC. So just press and hold your power button for the PC to go off automatically. Right, the PC is off and we have to on again. So press the power button to on it again. Now once the PC is turned on, keep on pressing escape to enter the BIOS settings. Right, so as we are in the BIOS settings here, you need at the top tabs, you need to go to the security tab, which is this, and then come to secure boot menu, click on that, and then as you can see, secure boot is enabled. In this case, you need to disable it. So press enter and then select disabled. Once you select disabled, press escape to go back, and then now go to the boot tab, and below you can see our boot option priorities. We have Windows Boot Manager. Right, so now we have to save the settings, and right, go to the save and exit tab and press and save and exit settings. Now let's wait for it to see if it boots or not. Right, and now the PC is booting normal. So that is just how easy and simple it is to solve this issue: invalid security setup. It's very easy and simple. As you can see, the PC is booting normal. So you just need to go into the BIOS settings, disable the secure boot, and we are good to go. So guys, if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you on our next video. Peace out.